up, players? Samsung has just announced a new phone. Do you want to buy it? Do you need to buy it? Should you buy it? That's what I'm here for. Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus coming up.
This is, you listening to Travis.
Before we get started, I need you to like, subscribe, and share this video. Helps me out, and when you help me out, I help you out, I guess, with videos like this. So, congratulations. If you're an Android user, you know all about the Galaxy S series of phones. They've always been top of the line, and when they come out, they're usually bringing some cool new feature. If you're a Samsung fan like me, you're definitely curious, is this a phone I need to upgrade to? Typically, I stay with the Note series of phones. I like the extra size, the extra power they're typically given, certainly more RAM, and of course, the Smart Pen, the S Pen, the best thing that Samsung's ever made. Well, besides this. Samsung's really spent a lot of time and money this time on the cameras, as now they have a dual aperture setting. What does that mean? Well, let me get my trusty iPad and I'll tell you exactly what that means. Well, apparently it can take great pictures in really bright sunlight and really low dark lighting. Now that's a really important thing, because you know when you're at the party and you're about to do some things you shouldn't be doing on a Saturday night and you ain't trying to get your picture taken, but thank goodness someone has a booty phone, they take a picture and it's grainy in the back and they can't really tell who you are. Well, now you're in trouble, because this camera is going to see you in the dark when you're getting your dirty on. With its f1.5 aperture and f2.4 aperture, whether it's bright in the light or dark in the night, you getting caught. Well, what else can it do? Well, apparently super slow-mo. What does that mean? 960 frames per second. And for those of you out there that don't know what that means, it's pretty darn epic. But super slow-mo only supports HD resolution, and it's limited to 20 shots per video with approximately 0.2 seconds of recording and 6 seconds of playback. Well, what else am I paying for? Samsung's versions of Animojis. These are kind of like Animojis on the iPhone, except for they're actual cartoons of you that you animate. Now that's actually a pretty good idea, because emojis are just kind of generic smiley faces and poop and whatever else is out there. This is actually a cartoon version of you, which personalizes it to a new degree. Real-time translation. Well, you know, you can do this and have been able to do this with the Translate app from Google for quite a number of years, but they're actually integrating it directly into the software. Samsung's really good about doing that. For as much complaints as the GUI interface gets, they actually add some really cool features, and just another one right here. And the speakers are supposed to be better, more awesome, whatever. And then, and this really gets me, they're claiming Dolby Atmos. Now let me explain something to you. I'm actually filming this in my theater in my house, and I support Dolby Atmos in my theater. Up-firing speakers that allow you to hear sound above you. That's not happening with your phone. So I don't give a crap what they say about having Dolby Atmos. Just don't even think about that when thinking about buying this phone. And of course the colors. Oh, the colors. Lilac purple, midnight black, coral blue. Who cares how cool the color is? I'm going to put a case on it anyway. Good point in the car, Travis. What difference does it make when you put a case on it? Man, that guy is smart. Hey, yo. What? Yo, can I be in this video? No, man, you can't be a part of this video. I'm kind of in the middle of something. Galaxy S9, son! It's not like you can just sit there and scream out the phone name. Galaxy S9 Plus, son! Well, okay. Now, I could go through all the specs, but to be perfectly honest, you don't care about any of that. You just want to know, should you buy the phone? I'll make it real easy for you. Do you have anything older than an S7? Then yes, you should probably get the phone. Or at the very least, an S8 once it goes on discount. Because as soon as these things come out, you know you're going to find S8s for just about nothing. Maybe a can of soup and some chicken. You might be able to work that as a deal. I'm not real sure. Maybe. But regardless, the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus are going to sell well. And yes, there will be deals for trade-ins and all that other good stuff. Don't fall for that stuff. Only get it if you need it. If you have an S8, S8 Plus, or a Note 8, don't even bother unless you have a jump like I do on T-Mobile, or you're just a tech geek and you need to have the latest thing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Let me know, are you buying an S9 or S9 Plus? I mean, if you are, can I come over and see it? That'd be pretty cool. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you again real soon. Peace and love. Peace and love.